Fashion Manufacturing MA, based in our Harrow campus in London, addresses key challenges in global fashion, focusing on apparel production systems, sourcing, and manufacturing processes.
Designed for individuals ready to innovate and transform traditional manufacturing systems, this course explores new production models, integrates cutting-edge processes, and evaluates advanced technology and prepares you for leadership roles in fashion and textiles.
This research-driven, industry-informed course is tailored to the evolving needs of fashion manufacturing. You'll develop advanced skills in manufacturing, garment production, and the future of fashion systems.
Developed in collaboration with the UK Fashion and Textiles Organisation, the UKFT, this course reflects their insights and guidance, ensuring it addresses the needs and skill gaps of the industry. Throughout the course, you will have access to industry experts, our expert teaching staff, and opportunities through the UKFT partnership.
Graduates are well equipped for roles in the fashion and textile industry, fostering employability, enterprise, and global fluency, bridging fashion design, business, and production practices. Whether working with global brands in garment tech or launching your own ventures, this course prepares you to make a significant impact in the fashion manufacturing sector.